Today we are transforming my daughter's hairstylist. We are going to transform her into a Barbie doll, a very beautiful Barbie doll. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing and I'm always happy to be here with you guys. Please subscribe if you're seeing me for the first time. If you eventually like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, and I'm looking so hideous because I'm also in the process of my makeup because we're about to film a video which will be up after this one. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys her how she is. Transforming Miss Hajar. Miss Hajar, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, she's so shy, but yeah, we're going to be transforming her today. This is her before. Are you excited? Okay, she's excited. She's going to be totally transformed because she's not. Are you used to like heavy makeup?
Yes.
You are used to heavy makeup. Okay, so yeah.
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me down. Ego took some big hits, but I rose up just to grow up. Yeah, I'm better. Yeah, I'm better. That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort. Show me some patience, 'cause I still got a lot of shit to recover from. Still carry all of the drama in my bones. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. I got a little more healing left to do, and I got a lot of soap to pick out of wounds. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. Moody, about to roll my eyes, hide in the bed and cry. You gotta love me through it. Moody, you hate to see me down, but that's what helps me work it out. You gotta love me through it. I wish sometimes that it was more like a story, big bad, all good by the end of the movie. But in real life, that shit takes time. Yeah, every breath a baby step to get me out my head and get better. Yeah, I'm better. That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort. Show me some patience, 'cause I still got a lot of shit to recover from. Still carry all of the drama in my bones. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. I got a little more healing left to do, and I got a lot of soap to pick out of wounds. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. I got some healing left to do. I got soap to pick out of wounds. I try, but you'll have to forgive me if I'm not 100 big Gucci, if I'm still a little bit moody. About to roll my eyes, hide in the bed and cry. You gotta love me through it. Moody, you hate to see me down, but that's what helps me work it out. You gotta love me through it.
So yeah, we're done. Do you like the makeup?
I like it.
You like it? You don't do this kind of makeup before?
No.
Like, okay, this one they more shouting than what they do.
Yes.
Okay, I like the makeup. It's so neutral, at least for somebody that is not so. So you're happy, right?
Yes.
You go feel carry and come out.
Yes, no.
Okay, thank you to Miss Pamela. She really did this place. So we're about to shoot another video before we start like heading out. And yeah, you guys please should be sure to watch that video.
Smiling through the memories of all the shit that tried to take me down. Ego took some big hits, but I rose up just to grow up. Yeah, I'm better. Yeah, I'm better. That don't mean no days are good days. I'm better, but with effort.
Please be sure to like this video if you really do like it. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Shit to recover from.